everybody, it's Lucia, and today I'm opening the Lil Woodzeez picnic playset from Target. And let me show you what comes with it, and then we'll open it up and then we'll get a closer look. So the set came with one picnic blanket with checkers and flowers. There are 4 plates, and they're green, and I think you can see the heart. 4 checker napkins. There's many different kinds of food. It came with 2 sandwiches, 2 cupcakes, salad in a container with a lid that can come up, and the salad comes out too. A sub and a bar of chocolate, some jam to spread on your toast. You can see it's already spread on there. A brick of cheese, and it's sliced. Some grapes, and a cheeseburger. Salt and pepper basket. A pitcher of juice. A bottle of soda. 4 cups of juice. But I don't know where the green and yellow came from. 1 picnic basket. And the handle is really short, so it's really hard for your dolls to actually just pick it up and bring all the food. A pretty brown bear in a pretty pink dress. And she has some pink blush right there. Can you see it? It's very light, so I don't think you can see it as good as I can. But it's really cute. So cute. I love this set. The basket attaches to her arm. And the basket is so big that she can hardly carry it. Look who came. It looks like they're having lots of fun. I'm not going to play with my toys right now. So bye everybody. I hope you like this channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.